Hey curl friends, I'm Bianca Renee and you're watching Bianca Renee Today, and today I'm going to make your traveling experience a little bit easier, especially if you have curly hair. Now I know that spring is here, summer is coming, so you might have some traveling to do, and there's a couple important things that are so important for you to keep in mind. One of the most important things for a curly girl to remember is to check the sizing of your products for when you travel on a plane. Nothing is worse than TSA throwing away a brand new bottle of product. I have been there. I bought a product when I was out and about, didn't think about it, about the ride home, how I didn't check a bag, and I was just hoping that TSA was gonna have curly hair and he or she was gonna understand the struggle and just let it go because she knows how much these products cost. And they caught me and they said, ma'am, we're gonna have to throw this away. I just want to be, okay, look, don't throw it away. That TSA agent, she has curly hair. Can you just give it to her, please? Please, it's a gift from me. Just give it to her. Just don't throw it away. I'm telling you, it's the worst feeling ever. So you know what? Don't even risk it. Get yourself some travel size products. I'm actually obsessed with travel size because one, I just think they're like super cute. Like, look at this little baby no poo diva curl. Look, Build Up Buster, Super Cream, what you want? I got it all. Now this is, Exhibit A, the bougie, fancy way to travel. You buy travel size products, you have a cute little bag for it. Definitely high end, I'm going to Paris. But if you're balling on a budget, don't waste your money on travel size products if you already know you've got a million full size products at home. Just get you some of these. These are little clear plastic containers that you can get at the dollar store, Target, Walmart, Rite Aid, Walgreens. Pretty much any drugstore is gonna have these little plastic containers. They're all the regulated size, appropriate size for traveling on an airplane, and you can put whatever you want in them. I then would also put these in a Ziploc plastic bag. That way they don't explode and leak all over your outfits for the rest of the week. Now the only thing smarter than travel size shampoo and conditioner is to not bring your shampoo and conditioner at all. I know, let me explain. Think about it. If you're only going someplace for a weekend, you know you don't wash your curls every day. And if you do, what are you doing with your life? I'm someone that can push her curls to like day 5, 6, 7 sometimes. So if I'm only gonna be gone for 4 days, I know I'm not gonna wash my hair while on the trip. So it's very important for me to wash my hair and have my whole deep conditioning mask day at home before I travel. I don't want to have to bring my shampoo, my conditioner, my deep conditioner, my hot head heat cap, my scalp massage. Like, that's a lot of showerness that doesn't need to come on the trip if I'm going to be back in like 3 days. So now that I've left my shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, scalp cleaner, all that stuff at home, I just know I'm going to need a styler. Now it's very important to remember where you're going. If I was going someplace really humid, like Florida or Aruba or wherever it may be, I know I'm going to need a gel. If you are going someplace humid and you might have never been before, your curls are going to be a soft, frizzy mess if you don't have a good gel with you. One of my favorite gels that I've actually tested out in humid weather is the Curl Keeper Gel. This is their ultimate hold and frizz control gel, and it literally says on the bottle that it's a water-based formula that controls all frizz due to humidity. So I'm sure that any gel with a really good hold, meaning like that hard crunchiness we talked about in my last video, if you haven't watched it, watch it right now, that is going to be good in humid areas. And I have tried this one in Florida while I was at Universal Studios all day at a theme park in very humid weather, and my curls were still popping. If you are going someplace humid, you honestly might want to keep that hard crunchiness in your hair because the humidity is going to break that cast down all on its own as you go throughout the day. So maybe don't even scrunch it out. Just stay hard in the beginning of the day, and by the end of the day, your curls are going to be perfect. If you're not going someplace humid, you might want to use a diffuser. Now let's think about packing our blow dryer and our diffuser. If you're staying at a hotel, call the hotel and see if they already have a blow dryer in the room. If so, you might not have to bring yours. And you also want to bring your diffuser because that's not going to be supplied at the hotel. So I personally like to use this diffuser right here. This is the Curly Co Diffuser, and it just collapses, so it makes it really easy to pack. Perfect travel size diffuser that I could just fit in any little pocket in my suitcase. The cool thing about this diffuser, besides the fact that it collapses and it works great, is that it has like this rubber nozzle to it, so it can fit pretty much any, or I should say most, standard blow dryers. So that way when you travel, this should be able to fit on whatever blow dryer is in the hotel. But if you're nervous about it, you definitely can call the hotel and ask them what type of blow dryer they have so you can kind of get an idea if this is going to work or not. So much easier just to bring your diffuser instead of your diffuser and your blow dryer. The next important thing that you must bring as a curly girl or guy on a trip is your very own satin pillowcase. This is what I sleep on every night. If you don't know why you need a satin pillowcase, you must be new to my channel and you need to hit that subscribe button right now so you can learn everything else you need to know about curly hair. But when you sleep on a satin pillowcase, your hair just rubs around on it and your hair won't get frizzy. Now, I don't know about you, but I've been to a good amount of hotels in my life and I've never seen them supply satin pillows at any hotels, and I've stayed at some nice hotels, okay? Ooh, but if I did find a hotel that had standard satin pillowcases, ooh, the respect, the respect. But most likely they're gonna be your basic cotton ones, and if you sleep on them, your curls are gonna be super frizzy and messy the next day. You're gonna wanna wash it, you didn't bring your shampoo, and you're gonna panic. So just bring your own satin pillowcase so your curls can sleep in peace. Okay, so now we are all packed and ready to go. The last thing that you should do to optimize your curl capacity is to have your hair in a pineapple while on the plane. If you don't know what a pineapple is, you must be new to my channel. We need to talk about this. So my name is Bianca Renee. I have a YouTube channel all about curly hair. Pineapples are kind of my thing. You should hit that subscribe button right now, and you already know all this stuff. My hair is in a ponytail at the very top of my head, kind of resembling a pineapple. Do you see it? Do you see it now? So when you're on the plane, that way, when your head is resting on that horrible seat for hours on end, it's not gonna make your hair super frizzy in the back. Like, you know when you go to the movie theaters and you have your hair down and then you leave the theater with like a big frizzy mess on the back of your head? It's gonna be the same thing for when you're on the plane or the train or the submarine. I don't know how you're getting there, like, you know, whatever. I just had an epiphany. What if movie theaters and planes had satin line headrests? That would be amazing. Copyright, I'm writing this down right now in my Palm Pilot. Save. Anyone that comes out with this idea, you know they copied it from me. You heard it here first. Satin-lined seat theaters coming soon, serving pineapples instead of popcorn and a free jar of coconut oil with every ticket purchase. Anyways, I digress. So even if you go to the airport with your hair down, just put it up for the flight. That way when you arrive, you could take it back down and all the frizziness will be under your hair, and the outer curls are gonna look beautiful and ready for exactly where you need to go when you land. So these are all of my curly hair tips that you need to know when traveling. They should make your life a lot easier. If you do any of these yourself already, leave me a comment, let me know what you do. Or if you have your own travel tips, also comment below so we can help each other out. And out of curiosity, have any of you guys ever been to the airport where TSA actually checked your curly hair for dangerous weapons and who knows what? Like literally, you go through the metal detector and they're like, oh, 1 second, we need to check your hair. And then they touch your hair to see if you are carrying anything in it. Yep, that happens to me all the time. What about you? Let me know. Leave me a comment. Tell me your story. I am so close to 200,000 subscribers here on YouTube and 50K on Instagram. And I'm really trying to get there before my birthday. For May 3rd, like that's all I want for my birthday, is for you to hit that subscribe button. It's free, it's super easy. And if you do, you will be the first to know about my huge giveaway coming up. So make sure you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Ms. Bianca Renee Follow me because Instagram and Snapchat usually are the first people to know, and you don't want to miss this. I post 2 new videos every week, once on Friday and once on Sunday, so I hope to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching Bianca Renee Today.